Plants have protein, they really, really do. Being vegan is healthy, you know it's true. Plants have protein, they really, really do. So why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? No more excuses for you.
This video is addressed to Ben Shapiro. Ben, my name is Miss Katie. I am That Vegan Teacher, and I'm here from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And I subscribe to your channel. And the reason that I do that is because I would like to consider myself to be an open person who is willing to look at both the left side and the right side when it comes to different opinions about politics and social issues. So what I'd like to do today is to remind you of something that you responded to several years ago when you said that you understood that you were living a life of hypocrisy because you were out there protecting the unborn and at the same time paying for so much suffering when it came to the animals. Now, Ben, even though I'm 57 and you're about half my age, I am very well aware that you are much more well-read than I am, and you probably have a higher IQ than I do. But let's just for a moment, just look at matters of the heart, shall we? Can we? Now, I know and I agree with you that facts don't care about your feelings. But in this case, the facts do affect what happens in the world and the choices that we make. I am inviting you, Ben Shapiro, to please stop promoting animal abuse on your channel.
No matter what your religion, no matter what your skin color, no matter if you're politically left or right, none of this should matter because you were born vegan and you can return. You were born with empathy and any cruel indoctrination you can unlearn. Your mother's milk was vegan. It was meant for you. And no matter what they try to tell you, remember, being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. Being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. You can be vegan again. Yes, it's true.
I know that you are being sponsored by a meat company right now, and it is so stressful for us vegan animal rights activists to see you promote so much cruelty when it comes to the animals. Now, I know that you're saying that the meat that you promote is made in America and it is local and all of this stuff. But the reality is that these industries pollute the environment. They are not good for our ecosystem. They're not good for human health. You know as well as I do that red meat and many different kinds of meat, including processed meats, are related to and can be linked to many types of cancer. Now, Ben, I'm not going to insinuate that you're trying to kill your own fans, because I don't think that's what's happening. But I don't think you've really thought it through. I mean, would you be promoting the use of cigarettes to your audience? I don't think so. But processed meats, for example, are class 1 carcinogens, which are in the same category as cigarettes. Now, I know you're going to say that the meat that you are here selling, or at least what I've seen in the ads, is not processed. But still, it comes from animals who suffered greatly. And you have so many other sponsors. I see your commercials in the middle of your videos. And I'm encouraging you to be sponsored by all of these other things that don't involve animal cruelty. I think you can absolutely do that, Ben, going forward. We animal rights activists, we need your help to protect the most innocent beings on this planet. Now, you're going to say that the most innocent beings on this planet are unborn babies. And I'm going to argue with you that they are protected much more than the animals are. over 70 billion land animals. And if you look at the fishing industry, we're looking at trillions of animals that are murdered needlessly. Ben, you live near a store. You can easily buy veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, any of 10,000 other items that are in the grocery store. I don't know when the last time was you were in a grocery store, Ben, but I'm telling you, the variety is incredible. There are items, healthy whole foods from around the world. And I think that if you were somehow sponsored by any of these other products, that would certainly make the world a better place. Don't you think? Isn't your wife a doctor? Wouldn't she be proud of you if you were encouraging the public to eat whole foods instead of foods that come from so much suffering? Look at this stuff. Animals are sentient beings, Ben, who are already alive. What you are doing is encouraging people to kill them for no reason when so many other choices are available. We're asking you to be morally consistent. If you care about the unborn fetus or embryo, then why is it that you can close your eyes and close your ears and not see that paying people to murder baby cows, that's what they do in the dairy industry, and mother cows and father cows, that's what they do in the meat that you are promoting people to buy right now. If you're not okay with killing baby children, as you put it, who are in the womb, who are just a few cells, who have the potential to be sentient in the future, if you're against that, then why are you not morally consistent and against killing babies who are already alive? Well, it seems like I have a little interruption, so let me just go for a second and feed my dog Bella. And by the way, Bella is already alive, Ben, just like all the other animals that you pay people to hurt for you. There's no need for that. You know, if you're against killing the innocent, then certainly the animals fall into that category. I'll be right back.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today.
Go vegan, Ben Shapiro. Go. These animals never did a single thing wrong to you ever, Ben. And you have, of all the people, the ability to go to a store and you have access to everything that you need. Now, some people are going to say, well, Ben can be vegan because he can afford a personal chef or things like that. But the truth is that all of you can be vegan because being vegan is not expensive. To sum up, Ben, we're asking you to name the trait that makes it okay, in your view, to harm animals and not humans, just for your selfish greed. Without using circular logic that states, because they are humans, they matter more, name the trait, Ben, that makes it okay for you to promote murdering the innocent. Is it their intellectual abilities? Would you promote the killing of babies who are born with lower IQs as well? Would you have been okay with my parents killing me because I wasn't as smart as you? What about my dog? Should she also be in the chopping block at your barbecues? Why not? I want to thank everybody for being here today. I also want to encourage anybody who knows Ben to please tag him, to please let him know that vegans are very interested in hearing from him. I am not the best at debating, but I know some people who really are. So, Ben, please reach out to us and help us make this world a better place. Okay? I think, believe it or not, you do have a few things to learn, and I hope that you have an open enough mind to contact us. Thank you. For the rest of you, if you like this kind of video, please like, subscribe, and write a comment below. Love to hear from you. See you next time. We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, We wear them. We dominate them. We mutilate them. We cut off their skin. We betray them. We choke them. We force feed them. We burn them. We bite and swallow them. We fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads. We kidnap them and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them. We spray poisons on them. We radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.